Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure perfect domain for sports and fitness gear business on your online store on Shopify. So here we are on the home page. So first of all you have to follow this setup guide right here. So the first thing here, you have to add your first product. Okay, so as you see here, click here, add product. Now as you see, you have to add the title, the description. Here you can customize the the paragraph. Also here you can generate the text. Just describe what you want in your text. Here also you can upload the media. You can customize the pricing and the inventory, the quantity and the shipping. Now let's move on to the next step. So here you can customize your online store. As you see, you can change the theme and the colors and the image to reflect your brand. Okay, so as you see now, you can select your favorite theme just from here. And after this you can name your store. Now here you can add your store phone, and after this save it. And now let's move on to the next section. Set your shipping rate. As you see here, you have to choose where you ship and how much you charge, so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. And let's move on to the next step. So here you have to set up a payment provider. Choose a payment provider to start accepting payments. And the last one here, place a test order. Make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. So that's it. So before you launch your store, you have to fix the settings right here. So start with the store details. So here you can manage the profile and the billing information, the store currency, the time zone and units of measurements, the order ID. And after this you can save it. And let's move on to the next one, the plan. So here you can pick a plan, pick your plan. So as you see here, you can choose the basic or Shopify or advanced. So all of them you have to pay just $1 for your first month. Now let's see more ways to sell. So as you see here, this two right here, you can select starter or select retail. So both of them you can pay $1, and the third one here you have to pay $2,300. So that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the billing. So as you see here, you can add the payment method for purchase and bills in Shopify. So you can add payments. Here you can enter your information, the card number, the expires and the billing address, the first name, the last name and the address. And the last thing here, to just add credit card, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next step. So here we have the users and permission settings. Okay, so as you see here, you can manage what users can see or do in your store. Now let's move on. Here you have staff accounts. You can select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts and control who can do what. So here you can compare plans. Okay, now let's move on to the payments. So as you see here, you can choose a payment provider that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So you can choose a provider. Also here you can manage the payment capture method. Now let's move on to the checkout. So as you see now, you can customize or manage the customer checkout method, the phone number or email. Also here you can customize and manage the customer information, the full name, the company name, the address line, the shipping address, phone number, the marketing options, and here you have to add additional scripts. That's it, actually done. Just save it and continue. Let's move on now to the brands, to the domains. So today we're gonna talk about sports and fitness gear domain. So buy a new domain and search here on your domain. So as you see now, you can buy a domain and you have to pay $15 for a year, for every year. And also here we have all the results like this one, so you can choose whatever you like. So for example, I'm gonna buy this one. So I didn't fix the billing section, so you can go back and just follow the steps that I said. So that's it. Now let's move on to the customer events. Now as you see here, you can add the customer pixel, you can add the pixel name. Here we have the brand. So as you see here, you can add the default logo, you can add the square logo. Here you can manage the colors, the primary and the secondary color. Here we have the cover image. You can upload image from your library or from browser. Also here you can customize, you can add a short description, and also you can add the social links for your business, often used in the theme footer. So you can add the Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest or whatever you like. So that's it. So here we have the notifications, so you can manage the notification settings, the customer notifications, the staff notifications, the fulfillment request notification, and the webhooks, the languages. So here you can add a language, you can select your language, the customer privacy. So here you can manage the customer privacy, the privacy policy, the cookie banner, and the data sales opt-out page, the marketing settings. So that's it. So before you launch your store, you have to complete this setup guide right here. Okay, and after this you can launch it, and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.